Hey everyone! Have you ever heard of sage tea? Did you know that sage tea has been used for centuries in ancient medicine? This little-known tea is packed with surprising benefits that can transform your health and well-being. From boosting your brain power to soothing your digestive system, sage tea is truly a hidden gem. Please note, you will get the recipe in the description below. Plus, as a bonus, we're going to share an amazing tip on how to make the most out of your sage tea experience. Stay tuned to find out how this tea can change your life. Benefit 1. Boosts brain function. Did you know that sage tea can help improve your memory and focus? That's right. Sage contains compounds that support brain health, helping you stay sharp and alert throughout the day. Whether you're studying for a test, working on a project, or just trying to stay focused, a warm cup of sage tea can give your brain the boost it needs. Benefit 2. Supports digestive health. If you've ever dealt with an upset stomach or indigestion, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Sage tea is a natural remedy that can help soothe your digestive system and reduce bloating. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm your stomach and make digestion easier. Benefit 3. Boosts immune system. Your immune system works hard to keep you healthy, and sage tea can give it a little extra support. Sage is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from harmful free radicals and keep your immune system strong. Drinking sage tea regularly can help you stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Benefit 4. Eases menopause symptoms. For anyone going through menopause, sage tea can be a natural way to ease some of the symptoms, like hot flashes and night sweats. Sage contains compounds that balance hormones and help manage the discomfort that comes with menopause. Imagine being able to relax with a calming cup of sage tea and feeling those hot flashes start to fade away. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your day-to-day life. Dear friends, if you want to know how to reduce excessive sweating naturally and fast, you can watch How to Reduce Excessive Sweating in 7 Days. Proven tips don't miss. In our channel, link in description, and of course in the end screen. Let's start again. Benefit 5. Promotes healthy skin. Sage tea is not only good for your insides, but it can also help your skin look its best. The antioxidants in sage fight off damage from the sun and pollution, helping to keep your skin looking young and healthy. Some people even use sage tea topically to reduce acne and inflammation. A cup of sage tea could be part of your beauty routine, giving you glowing skin from the inside out. Bonus benefit: calms the mind and reduces stress. And now, for the bonus tip we promised. Sage tea is not just great for your body, it's also wonderful for your mind. Sage has calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. After a long, stressful day, a cup of sage tea can help you unwind and relax. Whether it's after work, before bed, or any time you need a moment of peace, sage tea can be your go-to calming remedy. So, what are you waiting for? With all these amazing benefits, sage tea is a simple and natural way to improve your health and well-being. From boosting brain power to calming your mind, this tea truly does it all. Plus, it's easy to make and a perfect addition to your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.